If you're an iPhone shooter, I might have found the best audio accessory for under 50 bucks. Hi everybody, DJ Tech Romancer here. While I'm not behind the DJ decks, I'm trying to help you out with making your videos or streams a little bit better. So, just to preface this video is not sponsored. So, I recently did a video shoot for a friend that's in a rhythm and blues band, and I went out, took out both of my camera bodies, and I took several of my smartphones too to help fill all the camera angles and shoot the shoot. But problem I had is that recently my video Tascam video recorder died, so I had to basically capture everything with native audio, and they were okay with that, but the professional in me is not okay with it. So I was like, okay, obviously I need to go out and buy some more gear because this might be an ongoing thing. So let me get some upgrades now, so for the next time they're playing out, I can go ahead and try to not just get good video, but get good audio as well. And I came across this. It's called the Qtree Wireless Lav mic, and I thought it was really cool because I've seen a lot of these kits before, but this kit definitely comes with the iPhone transmitter, and it comes with two of these, wireless Lavs. But what I also like about this kit is it also has a USB-C transmitter. So, like I said, smartphone user, clip it onto them, and you're good to go. So, I really like this, especially for like if you're a one-person band and you're trying to film yourself and do like TikToks and stuff like that, and you need to go between vertical, horizontal style of video. Doesn't matter, you plug this transmitter straight into the phone, flip this to yourself, and it's all good. And just to show this off, the power button on these is on the back of it, and it's all good. I got these on the deal. Hold on, let me see what the price I ended up paying for them. So I got these. They were listed as $48.99, so definitely under 50 bucks. But I also had gotten an Amazon coupon for 20% off. So I really didn't pay that much for these at all. Now, don't get me wrong, I've been looking into a more expensive system for my Canon EOS M. I've been looking at the Manano system, which is at, well, actually currently it's priced down under 70. It's at 68, but it's normally like 75 bucks. I've been thinking about getting that system since I also got that podcast gear, which I need to do a review on and take it out of the box. I've had it since Christmas. I opened the box and took a look at it and closed it back up. I need to do a review on it and actually use it, so that way you all can know, is this system really good or not? But I did some audio tests with this, as you will hear now. So this is an audio test off of a iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, this is a test using the cheap USB microphone. Can you tell the difference? I got my AC on purpose because noise. So I want to see how much noise reduction does it do. So this is a test with the wireless mic with my AC on, just to see how much noise it picks up if I leave the AC unit on. What I really like, it has built-in noise canceling. So Normally in my environment, in my apartment, I have two running AC window units, and them things are noisy. So usually if I'm trying to shoot a skit or anything like that, I normally have to cut the AC off and shoot it and sweat and all that. So lately I've been doing my shoots like early in the morning before the peak of heat. But now with this, I can just leave the AC on, go ahead, do my skits, and it's all good. So I'm really loving this. So definitely keep this in mind if you're a smartphone shooter. So one thing about this system I would like to test, I haven't done it yet, is attaching this system to your camera, using it as an NDI source, and see how well with the latency you pick up audio and all that. Because I know there's a lot of people out there that use their smartphones via NDI to get a webcam stream onto their game footage. So if this system, you can log it back in and get decent audio, as long as it's not too delayed with the NDI connection, it might be a good solution for that as well. I haven't tested that yet. I did more of the generic film video test, but that might be something I will do down the line. Stay tuned for that. All right guys, that's it for me. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you don't like it, it's okay, it doesn't hurt you. But I'm just trying to help out fellow iPhone content creators out there and say, hey, this is a way to level up your audio, and it works, and it's budget and it's cheap. Now, and I hate to say it, yes, it is plastic. It does feel budget and cheap. So just don't be heavy-handed. Take care of your gear, and it will work. So I might do a video. I know a lot of people like to do like 90 days after, or maybe a half year after. I will do a video later on to see if this system really works for me and how long it will last. So stay tuned for that down the line. In the meantime, guys, peace, love, and keep creating.